Hi guys, welcome again. Sorry, the battery of the laptop just died, so I had to plug it. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're back here. Sorry about this. This was a battery. The battery did die, so I had to plug the laptop. It was plugged in, but it was not connected. I thought it was working. Anyway, going back to the chart, guys, right here. Please don't forget to hit the like button. So let's discuss the Dow here. It's very important. This area is kind of not a good buy area at all. We did give multiple buys here, if you guys do remember. Actually, to be honest with you guys, I started giving a buy from here. It did come down a little bit, but it did bounce back strongly. Okay, so it was okay. So far, this may continue, guys, to 29,700. So this may continue all the way to the same level right here. May even go higher to what about before the corona, which is about 29,700 area. Anyway, the long term for the Dow, guys, is 32K. If you did catch any buy from here, leave it. Okay. Technically, this need a correction down. Technically, but what can happen in this time is I'm gonna explain this quickly. I'm gonna put right here. So here the stimulate package coming from the Feds. Okay, guys. So there is two stories right now. We have Mr. Trump. Okay, guys, he can win, right? The election. That's a choice, and the other one is Mr. Biden. Okay. In both cases, it's bullish for the equity market. Okay, guys, for both cases, it's bullish for the stock market and the equity market. Okay. So it doesn't matter who's going to win. We're going to see the equity market having a big rally. Okay, right now we have a stimulate package. What they're waiting for close to $2 trillion. Okay, $2 trillion. They kind of want to approve and get approved. This is gonna make the Dow rally to the upside big time. Okay, guys, it's gonna make it continue to rally. This rally is not gonna last long. We're gonna have such a rally correction, then after this going back again. At the time it's going back again, all the JPY bears are gonna be nice sell. Okay, I do expect this to happen in the second week of November. Okay, so this between November, let's say 10 and December 10. Okay, guys, at this time we're getting ready to have a big sell in the equity market and a big sell in the JPY pairs. That's why someone of you asked guys about your Japanese yen now, and we said that wait, we're gonna sell it probably after 4 weeks. So this time frame when we are gonna spot a good sell in the JPY pairs and possibly is expected a nice profit in equity market correction. This is a profit taken right before the Christmas after the election. So the big chance we're gonna have such a big fall. Also, Bitcoin, guys, possibly is gonna fall at this time. So if you're in a Bitcoin, really, you want to take profit and get out, before this time. So Bitcoin is gonna have also possibly rally. Okay, so it doesn't matter who's going to win. It's either Mr. Trump or Mr. Biden. This is bullish for the Dow Jones. Okay, so for the US 30 and Dow and all the other ones also, this is bullish because the stimulate package of the 2 trillion is gonna get approved. It doesn't matter, it's Mr. Trump is gonna win or Biden is gonna get approved for sure. Maybe even if Mr. Biden is gonna win, we're gonna get a bigger package and something better. So the worst case scenario of Mr. Trump is gonna win, this is positive. Imagine if Mr. Biden is gonna win, this is probably for the stock market even more positive. But the big fish, the whales of the market, they're gonna take this as opportunity. They're gonna take their profit right here and they're gonna let the market fall. Okay, so we want to catch this fall with them. We give multiple buy in the Dow, guys, and we said continue holding the buy to above 29,000, and later on when we see a good sell breaking the new support resistance area, which is going to be made, right here, looks like a shark, because those guys are sharks. We're gonna sell this one when it does break to the downside. We're gonna sell it. So we right now, I think we are right here. We still have a little bit more to go. Then we have this area to play with. Then we have a breakout here. We gave this buy and we said now you continue with this buy. Don't sell it at all now. We still need this scenario to happen. Then later on we're gonna sell this area. And this sell is really nice. I have some of the members, they did multiply their account multiple times in one of those Dow Jones rally. She was risky a little bit, but she did multiply her account by 6 times. It was risky. I don't recommend this to do, guys, but Dow Jones, there's a lot of money in it. There is a lot of money in the Dow. Also, the DAX is the same thing, but because, the Dow kind of more attractive, but the DAX is also beautiful. Okay, both of those two have a lot of money, tons of money. You can trade, but you must use proper risk management, guys, and be in the safe side. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this one, and we're gonna go back to our trading right here. Okay, I think you guys do remember, since right here we said we're gonna buy and this is support. It did come back. We said only buy for every single weekly forecast for the last 4 weeks, and we explained the MACD that finished right here is just about to reverse, was beautiful, and that was like a long-term forecast is going. Do not sell here. Don't short it. You're gonna find a lot of people going to sell right now. Don't join. When you join, we said very clearly, if this is broken right here, you can sell it. If the price breaks below 28 500 or so. Okay, guys. So wait a little bit. Big picture, there is still potential. Technically, it needs a correction, technically. But this does not have to happen. But technically, okay, guys, I hope this will cover this. Gold will continue rally. So we have a question here from Mr. Amitcha. The gold will continue to rally, guys, okay? Gold is only a buy. So we're going to only buy gold, continue buying gold, don't sell it. Okay? This is possibly coming down a little bit, not a big deal. Okay, so gold, this is your support, 1860, right here. And the second one is right here. Very clear, nothing, okay? We do expect this to rally up big time. You can see this was this range area right here. This is a support to resistance area. Okay. We may get a small wave down, then continue going up. Anyway, we're only taking a buy signal, guys, in gold, no sell. Okay, so guys, gold in my opinion is only a buy. You can see we started right here. This is kind of nice breakout last week. So we are breaking right now. You can see we did break from this. So if we can make it, okay. Okay guys, so we did break from this triangle right here and also from this channel. And a lot of analysts also talked about this breakout. So right now we only prefer the buy, don't take the sell. But breaking below this triangle right here to the downside, this also will offer a sell technically, okay? So technically, if you come below this one, it's a sell. But we don't expect this to happen, but just in case, everything is possible. But right now this area is a buy. We did give multiple buys. We did give a sell from here, guys, and we did make a video that the gold may continue from 1750, and that was a correction before going to 2300. I think you guys do remember this video. That was this one right here. Hi guys, and welcome to FX Markets. Strategy. We're gonna look at something different right now. We're gonna look at the U.S. Government bonds 10-year. Okay, this is the one in this blue color. Okay, and the gold, and we're gonna see the relationship between both of them. So basically, when you're gonna put your money for the government, you're gonna buy bonds. okay, you're gonna get a fixed amount of money back. Okay, so at that time you're gonna get about 3%, which is okay. But then, and that's October 1st, from October 1st, it start going down. Okay, so really in April 29. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are playing this gold video, and that was a correction, only expected correction. Mr. Powell said the interest rate will continue probably for extra 2 years. Low interest rate, guys, is not, it does not encourage investors to go and put their money in the bank. And also for the bonds, they don't get a good return on it. Okay, so they get rid of the bonds and they get rid of, the idea of depositing money into the accounts and the banks, and they go to two things: stock, investing in companies, and buying gold. And of course, each one is going to say, okay, let me put 60% or 50% of my fund in the gold to just protect it and save it, and let's invest 50% in other stuff. Let's say invest 10% in Bitcoin and 10% in the Dow and 5% in the SPX, and stuff like this. So this is very important to understand why we expect the gold in the long term to probably go to 2300 or even 2700 long term. Okay, the only thing is possibly can bring it down is the coronavirus vaccine and stuff. But so far, having a low interest rate for extra 2 years from now, and the Feds are kind of guaranteeing this to happen, they're not gonna change the interest rate from zero for another 2 years, and they keep pushing money to the economy. This is going to cause inflation. Then the gold is going to continue to rise. So gold is only a buy long term. Okay, long term gold is a buy. Even if you're going to buy physical gold or actually trade in CFD or whatever, gold is only a buy, not a sell, in my opinion. Okay. 19, you would get only 2.66 back, and that's not good. It's going down. Okay, so you're getting less and less. And the farther you go down, here 1.45, then it was pushed up a little bit to almost 2, then it did crash so bad to just a little bit shy of 0.5. Okay, then it started reversing. Why is this is really important? Why those two dates, October 1st, 2018 and July 1st, 2020, is kind of important dates? Because we're just gonna drop the gold and get ready for a big surprise. Bang, here we go. Look at this time right here. Right here, that was the start of this such a big rally of the gold. In the same date, this start to fall. The gold from this area start to rally. And the same date right here, this start to fall. The bonds start to rise. The gold start to fall. So basically, the investors, once they are not happy with this, with the bonds, they take their money off and they buy gold, because they will get their money kind of restored, the value restored, and they would know if this falls further, the price here is going to increase. Why is this so important? Because now the Feds are going to approve another package, then probably we're going to get spike in the bonds like this. It's going to go up, and this is going to make the gold go down. So that's very important to pay attention to something like this, okay? If you do add the dollar index to this one, okay, which is this second color right here, let's make it like green here, it will have kind of minimum effect. If you actually focus on the bonds against the gold, it's more important than the dollar index, okay? However, the dollar index is possibly going to go up for the coming few weeks before it does reverse. Okay, it's having such a big support at this area, the 92, 93 level, so there's a big chance it's going to go up. So we're going to take the dollar index off so it doesn't complicate things. So right now we're going to just, this is the monthly chart, guys. You can see the big relationship over time. Okay, as the bonds were going down, the gold was rising up. Okay, it's very clear. You can see it. Okay guys, so that was a quick update about this gold video. We're just gonna take it off. Thanks, Amateur. See, guys, Dow is playing games with you guys. Look at this. Told you guys don't be careful from the Dow. It's gonna continue going up. See how much it did fall right now to 28,660. That's big fall right here. Quickly here, as we talking, it did go down like 50 points or so, but it did reverse very fast. So, guys, in my opinion, don't short it. A lot of people are gonna go short this one. Don't short it. It's not ready yet. This is probably gonna continue going up. Probably, okay? Missing opportunity better than missing your money, okay? Missing opportunity is better than missing your money. So this is only very bullish, guys. Don't, and it did break those previous support resistance area, so still very bullish. I know in the MACD and RSI everything is going overbought, but with stock, don't take this in consideration, okay? The market is also only in uptrend, ranging, or in a sell-off. And I only like to sell stocks or equity when they're in a sell-off mode. Otherwise, I don't like to take corrections, okay? USD CHF, this pair is almost opposite of the euro dollar, okay? I don't like this pair too much. So it's only sell, but I would avoid this one. I know it's possibly will continue going down, guys, but don't take it. Don't buy it now. It's not ready to buy. Because we do expect the dollar index to continue going down below even this low. So possibly we can get all the way down here before any reverse in the USD CHF. So guys, don't take it. Bound New Zealand, bound Australian guys are good buys. We discussed about this one, guys. I do expect this like almost above 1,000. So guys, do remember this one right here. We're saying this is a good buy, and I do expect this to go all the way up here. Okay. So guys, I hope you do remember this. Okay. We have been saying buy actually from here multiple times, and if you go back to every weekly forecast for the last about month or so, I keep saying this is a good buy. This is a good buy. You're Australian. This may go up as a correction wave. I would avoid this one, guys, now. Okay, I would avoid this one for now. This may go up here again because Australian is kind of weak. I would not buy. I would wait to go back to 1.65 or so, or 1.64 when it's coming down, or even here, depends on the price action what happened, this area or this area. When it's coming back down, I would take a sell, but I will not take a buy. The reason for this, in the MACD here, we are in a selling area. You just need to go a little bit up, then come back down, but this is not a buy. Okay, I hope this guys answer you. USD can also, guys, wait to make come down to 1.28. Pound dollar, guys, also is possibly a good buy. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that was a quick update, guys, about the market. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully, you can come. This is the first day of the week, so hopefully, you can come back again and give you update. Okay, you can see this is supported right here, so possibly this will continue going up. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Stephen asking here about EuroCAD. So EuroCAD, we said it's a sell multiple times. Now is not the best time to sell, the best location, price, but possibly will continue going down. Okay, guys. So right here, we did give a sell from the top here. We just closed uh, about 3 trades sell in our VIP channel, and we sold it again, but we are ready. If it will bounce going back up, we will sell again from a higher price. This is not the best area to sell, but don't buy it. Wait, either you have two choices: you sell with a small lot size and wait to come down, or you don't touch it and wait to go up and sell it. But don't buy this one, because the longer term outlook now is to the downside, not to the up side. Okay, guys, so there is only a few minutes, guys, away from the speech. So there is going to be UK news. So you guys, you can see this style, this structure is only giving you a buy. Okay, when you come down and keep playing right here, most likely this only giving you a buy. Anyway, you have to use a small proper lot size, like 1%, 2%. So we're gonna take a buy here. Thanks, Brooks Avenue. I ask about Euro Australia, Euro New Zealand. Yes, wait a little bit for Euro Australia, Euro New Zealand to go up, then sell them later on. Okay. Okay guys, so that was a quick update. So we're gonna close down the streamline right now. As we said, don't short the Dow now. You're gonna find a lot of people going to sell it. Don't sell it. Don't sell it unless it will break below the 28,400, this area. Okay, so this is it's also a little bit too late to buy. If you did buy previously, it's good. Here it's risky to buy, but wait a little bit. Wait, okay. Okay guys, thank you and have